So you want to be able to stick text to your hands like this, or your head like this.
Wow!
Or any moving object. I'm going to be showing you how to do that on Inshot app, and let's get to it. So after uploading your video, go to text, click on text, then type whatever you want. Now position the text on the subject you want it to follow. In this video, it's going to follow my fingers. As you can see, it does not initially follow the finger, so we have to make that happen. Now extend the text to the point where you want it to stop appearing. Now scroll to the left and select tracking. Then select this other tracking option. This one is meant for when the subject is not on the face. Now position the tracker on the subject you want the text to follow. Now start tracking. It takes a few seconds. And it's done. Now let's stick this fire sticker on my face. Go to sticker, select your preferred sticker. Put it directly on the moving face or head. And extend it to where you want the tracking to stop. Now go to tracking again, and this time around select this other tracking option, which is specifically for tracking the face or head of someone. And it's done. So in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit like Mr. Beast using Inshot app. So you don't really need to be using all these complicated apps, because look, editing is difficult. You know it, I know it, everyone knows it, except you're like a pro or something. So I figured out a way to edit like Mr. Beast using simple editing apps like Inshot. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and give me a like button, okay? Okay? And I would see you in that video. For other editing tutorials, click here.
Out of your mouth, you